You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. Any man who thinks he can be happy and prosperous by letting the government take care of him better take a closer look at the American Indian. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. Success is 99% failure. I see no advantage in these new clocks. They run no faster than the ones made 100 years ago. Life is a series of experiences, each of which makes us bigger, even though it is hard to realize this. For the world was built to develop character, and we must learn that the setbacks and griefs which we endure help us in our marching onward. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. The way to learn to do things is to do things. The way to learn a trade is to work at it. Success teaches how to succeed. Begin with the determination to succeed, and the work is half done already. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. I cannot discover that anyone knows enough to say definitely what is and what is not possible. We try to pay a man what he is worth, and we are not inclined to keep a man who is not worth more than the minimum wage. There is one rule for the industrialist, and that is, make the best quality of goods possible at the lowest cost possible, paying the highest wages possible. Givers have to set limits because takers rarely do. As long as we look to legislation to cure poverty or to abolish special privilege, we are going to see poverty and special privilege grow. New York is a different country. Maybe it ought to have a separate government. Everybody thinks differently, they just don't know what the hell the rest of the United States is. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. Money is like an arm or leg, use it or lose it. I am looking for a lot of men who have an infinite capacity to not know what can't be done. To see a thing clearly in the mind makes it begin to take form. Vision without execution is just hallucination. When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Any customer can have a car painted any color that he wants, so long as it is black. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Being greedy for money is the surest way not to get it, but when one serves, for the sake of service, for the satisfaction of doing that which one believes to be right, then money abundantly takes care of itself. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages. Experience is the thing of supreme value. Do you want to know the cause of war? It is capitalism, greed, the dirty hunger for dollars. Take away the capitalist, and you will sweep war from the earth. As we serve our jobs, we serve the world. It is not usual to speak of an employee as a partner, and yet what else is he? Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again.